Look, girl,
it ain't a million in my pocket. Don't brag about talent, but my dreams say I got it. The world called me fly, I'm taking off like a rocket. And you could come aboard if you like the same topics. But hello, I'm just trying to get your name. I'm liking what I'm seeing and I hope you feel the same. Never been the type to chase, cause no girl's worth the race. So if you came in with your man, I would gladly walk away. But the smile on your face is telling me that's fiction. I'm not asking for a date, but I really like to kick it. It's something about your style that's telling me that you're different. And if you don't got time, just give me your 7 digits. Call you later on your cell phone. Heard I was a rapper, got me on your ringtone. I might call you tomorrow or maybe even today. Whenever I hit your line, I just wanna hear you say, hello, how you doing? I'm trying to get your name.
Hello, my name's Gabby, and can I get the same?
Hello, my name's Fly, I'm a very nice guy. I just had to say hi when I see you walk by. So hello,
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 hello, oh baby, hello,
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 hello, hello.
You feeling better than ever because you sleeping in 4 seasons. When we hit the mall, buy it all for no reason. Shop until you fall, girl, don't worry about the cost. If you want it, you can get it. We shop with a black card. Be my girl, you'll get everything that you ask for. Trips around the world and we'll get you a passport. By looking in their eyes, you see why they mad for it. Cause they push a RAV4 while we cruising a fast Porsche. Could you imagine burning the streets of Aspen? Sweets on a jet, I'll show you some fly fashion. No need for the stress with me, you only relaxing. Your feet up in the sand on the beach, your tan lasting. I bet you wonder why I'm laughing. If you pass this offer up, I promise you'll be asking me for a chance, including me in your plans. You look good, but it look better with me on your hands. So hello, how you doing? I'm trying to get your name.
Hello, my name's Gabby, and can I get the same?
Hello, the name's Bishop. I'm trying to get with you. Your frame looks perfect, wouldn't mind it in my picture. Hello,
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 hello, oh baby, hello,
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 hello.
Now I gotta admit, I wasn't ready for it. I never listen to guys, the corny lines that they spit. Like, what's your name? What's your sign? Girl, you bad, shawty fine. You must be a dollar bill, cause you far from a dime. See, I just don't get it. Other chicks, they be with it. Got a lot of things on their mind that they switch up like a fitted. I really planned on judging you off your style, no trial. But evidently, evidence got all your charges acquitted. 2 guys, 1 day, should I play it safer? One so real and the other's flashing paper. Don't know why, but it's something about they vibes, and I ain't gon' lie, yeah, I'm feeling kinda player. Walking out of Cold Stones, baby, he was stone cold. So I'm looking at me, staring harder than a mofo. Didn't really know though if he was my type, but he came and stepped to me, said real polite,
hello, how you doing? I'm trying to get your name.